Hi everyone, week 21, we're at Crook O Lune in Lancaster. Caton, actually.
You're a Crook O Lune.
Yeah, that was correct. Oh, the molehills are frozen. Poor moles.
Poor moles.
Poor moles. Let's go. So as a reminder from last time, we're using a Pembo rating system. P is for play, E is for elevation, M is for miles, B is for basics, parking, toilets, things like that. And then O is for overall. Any wisdom for us today?
Be in nature, it's healing, that's what Princess Catherine says.
Follow along next week for more wisdom from Claire, stolen from royals. Right, this bit is not accessible if you had wheelchair or pram. Lots of roots. This walk is absolutely stunning. I feel like it's got everything. Water, which I love, a forest, which I love, and now a sheep field, which is super tasty. And
Me, which you love.
yes, true. It's true. Pembo rating time. P, play.
Good play opportunities, but no play part.
E, elevation. Yeah.
Up and down, but like low.
M, 5k-ish, a little bit more. B, basics, really good car park. £1 to park there, £1.20 with a handling fee on Ring Go on the app. There's a cafe and there's toilets. Cafe is cash only.
Overall, excellent. Our favourite so far.
I think it's our favourite walk so far. It's well steep. We've got to change our elevation rating. Oh my gosh.
Just making sure that I made it.
Yeah. Oh, right. That's it, folks. Thanks for joining us. Have an amazing week. We'll see you next time. God bless.